Hey guys, Justin here from Simplified Investing. I hope you guys are having a great weekend. These are going to be the 5 stocks that we are watching this coming week. First one being Tesla, second one being Meta, third one being Walmart, fourth one being AMD, and then the fifth one being Nvidia. Hope you guys have a great week and look forward to trading with you all on Monday. Thank you. So getting things started, as I always do, the first thing that I'm going to be doing is going to be breaking down the market. What have we seen from the market within the past week, and then what can we expect to see within this coming week? The way I'm going to be doing this is going to be by using SPY, which is going to be the S&P 500 index. So what you see here is we get this curling pattern formation here off of this level here on 11:15. Trying to curl and break out here. Obviously, very low volume here on Friday. It was a holiday, half-day market day. Volume has been very subpar here lately on this movement here, which you can expect to see anytime you have a holiday weekend. A lot of economic events too this past week, something to keep an eye on. As for technicals, want to see this hold 398.48 here for a move potential up into 414. Obviously, 400 plays an important psych level below, so if we do get some selling pressure here on SPY, expecting that 400 region to hold up. Strongest region in this 398.48 region here. Ideally want to see this cup pattern formation here hold through this 401.74 region here, which was that reject on 11:15. Now you can see we're forming this curling pattern here. Now let's see if we can hold this 401.74 region here, liking this one to the upside with move up into that 414 region. As for a weekly level here, or what we're seeing here in the weekly chart, you can see we're attempting to form a curling pattern here. We had some selling pressure here 2 weeks ago. Now we're trying to hold over these highs here from this 11:14 weekly candle. Does hold 401.74, expecting a strong continuation move. Fill this region up here into that 414 region. Above that, up into this 429.61 area. But again, from a weekly chart, holds here, liking this to the upside. Daily chart here, we're forming this curling pattern here. 401.74, an area to keep an eye on with the biggest macro level above into that 414 region this week. As for the first play of the week, it's going to be one that I'm sure a lot of you have had on watch here. And really what this is it's a well-known short trap here. You get this 52-week low here on 11.9, you get this bounce. Then you get this confirmation holding below here. So what this confirmation does is a lot of times this candle right here will trap in short saying, okay, we confirm below this low here. We're looking for a continued selling pressure lower low here. Moving into, say, that 150 psych level or 160 psych level. The biggest thing, a lot of shorts coming in here. Now they're trapped as it reclaims here. As they trap, they buy back their position. That adds more fuel to the fire and puts the bulls in control of the move. Want to see this hold 177.33 for a fill up into this cup move here at that 200 region. I do think as we get some more shorts covering, as we get them trapped here at 52-week lows on these two candles, we can get a further push here to the upside with that 200 potential above here this coming week. The second play, Meta, this is one that's been flagging a very narrow range move here. You can see we formed these lows at 88.09. Strong move up here into this 11.15 high near 118.76. Now we're basically just flagging sideways, digesting from 109.20 up into that 118.76 region. Personally, I'm going to be patient on this one, waiting for this 118.76 break through this 11.15 high to fill this gap move up here into that 125 area. I do think we have that area to fill here this week if we can get bullish strength and direction through 118.76. Now, the thing to note here is if we do get that break, a lot of daily traders are going to be partaking in that intraday move. So placing importance here on that 118.76 region if we do break and hold, liking this one to fill this move up here into that 125 area this week. The third play, one that I'm not trading much, but it has had a lot of strength lately here, and that's going to be Walmart. Really what I like to see from Walmart is this earnings gap up continuation here. So it wasn't a gap up on earnings and then selling pressure with the sellers dominating off the open, institutions changing their position, whatever it may be, or a reallotment on the particular equity. What we get here is we get a gap up, we get a strong continuation higher high here. Really want to see this 153.09 region break here this week. And you can see a lot of wicked selling pressure here above this level, and then those wicks become that support here. Those wicks become that resistance here on that rejection to the downside. So watching this, holds 153. I do think we can see highs here on a continuation follow through on Walmart this week. Very, very strong move here through 153, eyeing to take this one up into that near 155 psych level, and above that, eyeing a region up here into that 158.27 region where we rejected here and rejected here as well. So watching this one, going to be taking this if we can hold that 153 area on strength. Obviously, when you look at volume from a shortened trading day, you're not going to see the 2x volume I typically look for. That's just expected on a shortened market day. But again, liking Walmart here, continued relative strength here on this one. Watching this one for a continuation move to the upside. AMD, going to be the fourth one here, forming more of like a cup and handle formation here. And really what's going to interest me on this one is, yes, we get a weak reject here on 11.23. We get a net new low here on this daily candle. And what this is going to do is everyone's going to be saying, okay, well, this is a cup breakdown here. Short this down into this move up here into the 70 psych region. Well, what happens if we get a bullish momentum move here on Monday through 78 area? A lot of those shorts who took this are going to get nervous, cover, and can give this fuel into that 80 region here. So biggest key is a reclaim of this 11.23 candle here for a move up into 80 this week. Nice bottoming pattern here, this accumulation phase. Push up here, pull back, and then we get this weakness here. Let's see if we reclaim here to take this one long here in this coming week. Last one, NVIDIA, same sector move, a lot of the same movement following the SMH, which is going to be the semiconductor indice or the ETF. Liking this one for a curling pattern here. Ideally want a breakout through 168.28. That is going to be the level to break for a move up here into that 180 region. You can see last time we tested this area on 825, immediately met with a lot of selling pressure here on this downtrend move to lows. Now we're trying to form the other side of the move here on this uptrend that we formed off of these lows here. And now watching this 168.28 region with a potential to fill up here into that 180 region this week on continued strength within this name and within this sector. That being said, that wraps up the 5 plays we are watching this week. If you did enjoy this video, if you could please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, it would be greatly appreciated. And if you are interested in checking out our course alerts and more, feel free to check out SimplifiedInvesting.com today. We would love to have you guys on board. Hope you guys all had a great Thanksgiving and had a great weekend. I look forward to trading with you guys on Monday. Thank you.